What the hell? Why am I doing the news on this? Shouldn't I be in the news station?
Will you please quit your yapping and get to the news already?
Fine, Sam, I'll do the news right now. Sorry for the interruption everyone, let's just get this over with. This is WSVN serving the city of Miami. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a sunny and hot day. Temperatures will be in the 80s. And now for the top stories. There will be a huge event that will be taking place in the beach, the best place to be in the summer. There will be a huge race between jet skiers, swimmers, divers, and scuba divers will be taking pictures of live sea animals and objects, such as fish, coral reefs, turtles, stingrays, tiny crabs, starfish, whales, jellyfish, dolphins, sponges, urchins, seals, squids, octopus, sharks, which they don't attack, hammerhead sharks, clams, sea snakes, sea snails, sea slugs, lobsters, shrimp, sea lions, and clownfish that resemble Finding Nemo. I feel like this is going to be the best summer ever. Other than that, that is all the news I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off. Okay Sam, I finished. Now can we go to the beach?
Man, you are so dramatic, but yes. Also, it's not WSVN, the actual line is you are now tuning into 93.3 FM.
Whatever Sam.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the city of Miami and the entire state of Florida and the Miami Beach Coast Guard. All residents who are in the beach in Miami, get away from the water immediately. At approximately 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, residents have reported that they saw scuba divers' goggles floating in the water with red blood water around the goggles, along with the swimmers too. Residents have no idea what or why the goggles are covered with blood. The Miami lifeguards think that it was a shark that attacked them. It isn't known if it was a shark or not, but it is strongly advised to do not go near the water. Residents in the Miami Beach are strongly advised to leave the beach immediately. The Miami Beach will be on lockdown until further notice. Police officers are on their way to investigate this strange situation. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department and the Miami Beach Coast Guard. A civil emergency message has been issued for the city of Miami and the entire state of Florida. All residents are advised to listen to this important message. At approximately 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, police officers have discovered the situation in the Miami Beach. Police officers saw a shark swimming in the water, but the shark has tentacles on its back. No one knows why the shark has tentacles on its back, but the Miami Beach Coast Guard is going to report this to the military and figure out what is this kind of creature. All residents are strongly advised to do not go to the beach during this time. If you are in a lake or an ocean, get away from the water immediately, as this creature can easily track you down. If you see a shark that has tentacles in the water, call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
Man, this doesn't make any sense.
I know, a shark with tentacles on the back. That's impossible.
Well, the officers did say that, so it has to be true.
Well, I don't really care. I'm going to take a little swim in the water.
Alright then, suit yourself. I'm going to grab some snacks in my car.
And I'm going to be on the lookout if this shark-like creature comes.
I can finally take a break after all that exhaustion work. Wait, I feel something on my foot. Ow, what was that? Oh my god, it's the shark with the tentacles. Someone please help me.
Wait, did you hear something?
Hear what?
I hear someone said someone please help me.
It's probably nothing. There's no one here.
Yeah, it's probably nothing. What's that in the water? Is that a tentacle? Oh no.
What was that scream? Oh no, it's a shark. I need to run.
This is a local area emergency. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department. At approximately 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been many reports of houses being destroyed, and residents were killed inside their house. Their bodies have multiple stabs, and their whole bodies was bitten off in half. It was believed that it was the shark with the tentacles was responsible for this. Police officers have a file in their office about the creature. The shark is known as Sharktopus, or S11. This creature is a half shark, half octopus, and it was reported to be roaming the streets of Miami, attacking and killing anyone it sees. The location of the Sharktopus is currently unknown at this time. This creature can move faster. Police officers are going to track down the Sharktopus and gun down the creature. Residents are strongly advised to get to your homes right now. Please lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. If you see the Sharktopus anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Sharktopus breaks into your home, get out of the house immediately. As these tentacles are sharp and can easily kill you, do not go outside during this time. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
following message is transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Miami and the entire state of Florida. All residents in the city of Miami, get to your homes now. At approximately 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Sharktopus is now reported to be roaming around the beach in Miami. Over 200 bodies were seen all over in the Miami beach, and 548 people were injured by the creature. Police officers are struggling on killing this creature. The creature is known for using its long tentacles to reach civilians and stab them. It is unknown if the creature will go on a rampage on the entire state of Florida, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are strongly advised to stay away from the creature during this time. Please lock all doors and windows, barricade all entrances at all time, turn off all heating and air conditioning, and stay in a room with no windows or hide in a closet. If you see the Sharktopus anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Sharktopus breaks into your home, get out of the house now and run away as fast as possible, or get into a car that has more engines. Police officers cannot confirm that the Sharktopus is immune to everything. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Sharktopus is now reported to be going on a rampage across the entire state of Florida. The Sharktopus will attack any residents it sees. The Sharktopus will move to the following areas: Miami, Florida, Orlando, Florida, and Tampa Bay, Florida. Police officers are struggling on killing the creature. It was also been confirmed that the Sharktopus is immune to gun bullets. Police officers are going to contact the military to help them kill the creature. If they don't stop the creature in time, the whole state of Florida will be completely destroyed. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate the city of Miami immediately. Please gather the necessary supplies and materials, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, a pair of running shoes, a loaded gun, a baseball bat, a crowbar, a gallon of gasoline for your vehicle, and a battery power or hand crank radio. If you see the Sharktopus anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the Sharktopus is coming towards you, get in your vehicle with full gas or run away as fast as possible with some good running pair of shoes. The military are on their way to help the officers kill the creature. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the city of Miami and the entire state of Florida. All residents in the state of Florida, get to an underground shelter immediately. At approximately 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Sharktopus was last seen leaving the city of Miami, but he dropped some mysterious eggs. When it hatched, thousands of little Sharktopuses came out and now attacking the city of Miami. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. Reports also come in that whenever those little Sharktopuses killed a citizen, they grow 2 times bigger. The military are going to use the tank to blow up the little Sharktopuses, while other military members are going to track down the Sharktopus to terminate it. All residents are strongly advised to get to an underground shelter in order to avoid the little Sharktopuses. Please gather the necessary supplies if possible, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, a good pair of running shoes, a crowbar, a baseball bat, and a battery power or hand crank radio. If you see the Sharktopus or the little Sharktopuses anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If any of them breaks into your shelter, get out of your shelter and run away as fast as possible and do not look back. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this serious situation.
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is a breaking news report. The Sharktopus have just arrived in Orlando, and it's now attacking and killing anyone it sees. Military members from the city of Miami have just reached into Orlando, and they are figuring out a plan on how to kill the Sharktopus. And other news, I am here with one of the members from the military, General David. So General, what are you guys planning to do about the Sharktopus?
So our plan is to lure the creature with a trail of our own blood. Once the creature follows the trail of blood, we are going to feed the creature with an explosive bomb. That way, the creature will explode once he eats the bomb. But if our plan doesn't work, then we are going to... What just happened outside?
Cut the news. Emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. There was an explosion that occurred right next to the news station. When police officers arrived to the scene, they saw a lot of blood all over the area. It turns out that the military threw the bomb that they planned and aimed straight at the Sharktopus. The Sharktopus swallowed the bomb, and it exploded and killed the Sharktopus. In addition, the little Sharktopuses have turned into stone due to the Sharktopus being killed. Police officers went to double-check to see if there is any little Sharktopuses left. Thankfully, all of them were successfully turned into stone. You are now free to leave your shelter. It will take approximately more than 3 years to repair all the damage that the creatures caused. We would like to thank police officers and the military for saving our country. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.